In this video, I'm going to explain to you who I am, how I help my clients, and why you should use me on your next real estate transaction. Before we get into this video, if there's any questions you may have, a property you want to sell, or you're looking to purchase and you need help getting through the process, or you might just have a real estate question, feel free to reach out. I'll put the link to my calendar in the description, and just schedule an appointment, and I'd love to help you out. My name is Jerard Gibson. I'm a real estate agent with Coldwell Banker in North Haven, Connecticut, and the team lead for the Gibson team at Coldwell Banker. I've been a real estate agent for 8 years. I've been practicing full-time for the last 7. I've been ranked as a top 10 agent in my office, as well as the top 16% of all agents nationwide. I'm a 4-time International Sterling Society Award winner. I pride myself in helping my clients reach their real estate goals. I love educating my clients. I love helping my clients come up with game plans on how to get from one point to another. I always tell my clients that by the time we're finished with this transaction, you're going to be able to do my job. There's so many different avenues and so many different niches in the real estate field, and I'm glad that I have been a part of a lot of them. I don't want to say all of them, but a lot of them. Definitely listing properties, helping sellers get their home sold in the least amount of time for the most amount of money is what I love doing. Also helping first-time home buyers. I was able to build my business on majority dealing with first-time home buyers. And the thing with first-time home buyers is really education and being that person that they can rely on to get them from one point to the next. So I've been very successful dealing with first-time home buyers. It's a passion of mine. I love helping people do what they think or what they believe that they weren't able to do. I'm committed to understanding my clients, their goals, their needs, and again, using my systems and strategies to help game plan and get them from one point to the next. In this market, you have to have a plan. You have to be able to navigate through some of the challenges that you may face in this market. So I'm blessed and fortunate to have experience in all of those aspects. Every client has a story. Every property has a story. There's no transaction that's the same. So I'm dedicated to providing personalized service to each and every one of my clients to try to help them achieve their real estate goals. Another area I pride myself in is understanding the market. I was born and raised in New Haven, Connecticut. So, my knowledge of this area I feel is unmatched. There's different sections of town. There's different neighborhoods. There's other towns on the outskirts of New Haven, and I'm familiar with all of them. A lot of times you can tell me, your address and where you live, and I can tell you how much the property is worth off the top of my head. And really that comes from just being in tune, checking the market every day, going out to preview properties, knowing what's closed, what's available on the market. I check that stuff every day, and I pride myself in being knowledgeable in that aspect of my business. A few of the services that I provide to my clients is, number one is obviously property searches. We do listing alerts direct from the MLS. I don't like to use a lot of the third-party websites because some of the information is not accurate. So I like to set my clients up directly on the MLS where you get the most accurate information. As soon as a property is listed, you'll get an email the following morning, or you can get an email as soon as it's listed. But a lot of times I like to set my clients up on a list where they get once a day with all of the properties that are listed. Negotiating, dealing with multiple offer situations. I've developed systems to help me navigate through multiple offer situations. Since I started back 7 years ago, every summer, every year, my clients have been in multiple offer situations, and I've been successful throughout the years getting my clients into their homes, going through these multiple offer situations. Marketing, I love marketing. I'm a student of marketing. I've generated like 95% of my business from social media. We could probably say 100% of my business from social media. And a lot of it is referrals and repeat clients that I've met on social media. So marketing has been one of the key elements to my business and how I'm able to help my clients as well get their home sold, or even becoming a resource for my potential clients of the future. Believe it or not, like I feel like I don't get the opportunity to talk real estate as much as I would like to. So I'm always looking for an opportunity to have a conversation about real estate. I'm an open book. I'll tell you the good and the bad, either way. So if you have any questions, again, please feel free to reach out. You can call, text, email. Also, I'll leave my calendar link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, as my goal is to continue to deliver good content for you guys to help you with all your real estate needs. Again, if you have a property that you're looking to sell, or if you're looking to get into real estate as a first-time home buyer, I'd love to be the one to help you out. Have a blessed day.